What's up, internet marketers? It's Ike Paz, and this is a very important video if you want to earn on the KDP platform. If you're watching this, that means you have access to my free KDP Create and Earn course. Now, within this course, it's a one-page course. You have everything you need to earn on the KDP network for free. So first thing you need to do is bookmark this. Now, why is the KDP platform such a great way to earn online? Well, first off, you don't need a website, right? Everything you create is hosted on Amazon. Second, you don't need to build your own authority, right? You're going to be leveraging Amazon's trusted brand because your product is going to exist on Amazon. And third, and most importantly, Amazon is all about buyer traffic, okay? It's not like Google or YouTube or Pinterest, where people might be on these platforms to do some research, to be entertained, to buy something, to learn something. People go to Amazon, they're there to buy, or they're going to research something that they're going to eventually buy. Really important. Also, another thing, people who have a Prime account have one-click purchase power. So all they need to do is click and they buy your product, okay? Now let's go through these different videos and I'm going to explain to you why I set up the videos like I did, the different resources I have, and what you need to look out for and pay attention to, okay? So the first video here is me talking about the KDP platform, how it works, and again, the reasons why I just gave you, what you need to learn, what you need to do, okay? It's really simple video. Make sure you watch it, okay? This second video is arguably the most important video. This is all about niche research and how to find those keywords that have search volume, but they're easy to rank for. Don't worry, there are a ton of keywords on the KDP platform out there. This market is not saturated whatsoever. There's niche upon niche upon niche upon niche that you can target with all types of books. So you want to make sure you hit all the criteria that I have for you on this side, on the right side over here. Make sure you watch the video until the very end. Okay, the next part here is also, actually every video on my KDP Create and Earn course is really important, okay? The next one is all about creating your cover book. Now this is very important because, see, all these different platforms, they have something in common. YouTube, Amazon, Google, they reward the listings or the posts or the products that get the most clicks, okay? If your product gets more clicks than the other guy, then Amazon or whatever platform you are creating content for, they're going to reward you with more free traffic. The same is true on Amazon, okay? You want to make your covers, they don't have to be beautiful, some beautiful design or some beautiful work of art. They can be simple, they can be even dull, but they have to be something that people want to click through, okay? You do that by watching this video, and you also want to make sure to download my templates and resources, okay? You have this little icon here. Make sure you get that after you watch this video. Now, after that, the next 4 videos are different types of puzzles to create. And again, you don't need any design skills, any tech skills. All you need is time. These videos, I'm going to show you how to do this without any tech skills, design skills. All you just need is a little bit of time to put these books together, okay? And then finally, I show you 2 very important things. First off, SEO, on-page SEO for Amazon, so that your product gets listed. And second, how to price your book so that you get conversions, people actually buy your product, but it's not too low of a price point that you get very little royalties, okay? You get paid via royalties on Amazon. So this is what you get within my KDP Create and Earn course. Everything you need to earn on Amazon. Now, one thing that I will tell you, and one of the big problems you're gonna face, is the time it requires to create these types of books, okay? It's very simple, very easy. I go through it all. I show you everything. You don't have to think about anything. It's very simple, but it is time consuming. I don't use these methods anymore. I use a tool called Activity Book Mastery. This is the actual tool, and with it, I can create all kinds of different puzzles, mazes, coloring books that I can, produce in a matter of minutes, sometimes a matter of seconds. Create a cover page and just publish my book on Amazon and potentially earn in a couple of weeks to a month. Okay, that's how easy it is with Activity Book Mastery. If you're serious about the KDP platform and earning on the KDP network passively, then I highly urge you to get Activity Book Mastery. Check out the link below, but I want to show you how it works. So all I got to do, for example, let's say I want to create mazes. I just click on the maze button here. I have all kinds of different, I have mandala, kaleidoscopes, picture slice, layered images, seamless images, comic templates, mazes. I got trivia. Trivia is actually an OTO, the only OTO. You don't need it, but it's an option. Then I have paper games. I have word search, Sudoku, hangman, tic-tac-toe. Everything is formatted and just done for you so that it adheres to the KDP network and their requirements, so that it's all formatted correctly. Okay, so here I am on mazes. I have 6 different types of mazes I can choose. I can create 50 at a time, and again, all of these products are every time you create for example, you generate a maze using this tool, or a Sudoku game for that matter, it's new to the world, never before seen. This software will create something that's completely original and new to you. Okay, so let's say I want to create a diamond maze. I just put in, let's say I want to create 10 of them. I click go, and then I have the option to download the images. Maybe I want to create a t-shirt around this, or what I recommend is you download the PDFs. I have not only the mazes, but I have the solutions. So you see, here are the solutions, and these are mazes that have been auto-generated. I just have to add them together with this PDF with the mazes. Okay, so I have a book right here that I can sell on Amazon's KDP network. Okay, so make sure you bookmark this page, and if you want to start earning quickly on the Amazon KDP network, make sure you get Activity Book Mastery and use these two together, okay, to help you earn online. Let me know what you think about this video. If you have any questions, let me know down below, or contact me. Be good, take care, and have a great day. Bye-bye.